Hey creators, welcome back to ED Creators Rwanda. Today, we're diving into YouTube Collaborations, a powerful tool. This feature allows creators to team up, reaching audiences and growing faster. When you upload, invite another creator to collaborate. Once accepted, your video appears on both channels, sharing views. This means instant exposure, expanding your reach with credibility. Collaborations also boost engagement, bringing fresh content ideas and strengthening your creative network. To use it, upload your video, find the Invite a Collaborator option, create a link, and share it. This teamwork approach is one of the smartest ways to grow on YouTube, especially here in Rwanda. If you haven't tried YouTube Collaboration yet, this is your moment to expand your reach and let your ideas shine. ED Creators Rwanda is empowering the next generation of digital creators. Join
Welcome
us.
to the future of technology. Explore innovation with ED Creators Rwanda. Your phone, your capital. Subscribe now for more.